we will be looking at the two important functions of now and today. These are the two functions related to the time functions in the Excel. So let's start. In the now function, the it's a very simple function to get the real time date and time together in a at any given time. For example, I want to know right now what is the date and what is the time right now. So simple, you have to do type in equal to, then now, then open bracket, and a simple syntax is there. You don't have to add anything in the box. You don't have to add anything, just you have to write now and open and close bracket. That's a simple syntax for the now function and enter. You will find it is showing the correct date which is set in my system, that is currently it is 7th April 2023 set in the system, and the time is 12:49 p.m. So it is showing the same time uh, and the date. Now what is the use of today function? Today function is simple function where it will give you the output as the date. So today I will write TODAY, then open bracket. Again the simple syntax, you have to just close. You don't have to provide anything in between these two functions, now and today. The simplest functions of this Excel, where you don't have to give anything input there. You have to just type in now, open and close bracket, TODAY, open and close bracket, and enter. You will get the date. What is the today's date? So these two functions are very simple, very cost effective, very simple and very easy to implement, and these functions are mostly used in our day to day MIS information data, and at the same time our data analysis and everything. So I hope you find these two functions important functions very easily. See you into the next video. Thank you.